In this video, I'll be showing you how to catch mistakes in your text fields with the validate setting before the snippet is inserted. Let's start with this demo snippet. This field requires a number. Any other input will cause an error. That's where validate comes in. I click on my Formtext command, locate the validate setting, and pick the option I need. I'm also going to enable the required option, which makes sure the field cannot be left empty. Let's try it out. One thing to keep in mind: field contents are only checked when you actually try to insert your snippet, like in an email or a doc, so don't panic if nothing happens until then. Besides the commonplace options, there's also the option to create your own specific matching patterns using something called regex, a special sequence of characters that form a search pattern used for finding, changing, and checking text. You can think of it as a super-powered search box that looks for rules instead of exact words. In this case, my regex is composed of 3 digits, followed by a dash, and 6 more digits. This tells my snippet that it should reject any inputs that do not follow that strict pattern. You can learn more about that in another video. That's it. One setting, no extra logic, and your fields police themselves.